binding. So now, for example, we have created this class binding for, okay. So here we have used for this employee component. So you have a class text color, you have a class called as text size. Okay, so text color and text size, you have these two particular classes. So I want to bind these two classes to one of the HTML element. So what we have done here in HTML, we have given here class is equal to my text color, class is equal to my text color and my text size. So this is how you have specified. And then we have also used required here, that is a class text dot size is equal to text color. So you have just given that required also. So where is that we have used here? We have used text color dot text size is equal to required. So now we have just used in such this sort of thing, and you wanted to implement this by using the structural, by using the attribute directives. So what are the attribute directives? You have ngClass and ngStyle. So for a class binding, you will be using ngClass. For style binding, you will be using ngStyle. So how do you implement that? So now let me just go to the component here. So here what I'll do is I'll just declare one property, that is public. I'll just give it as group. So public group is equal to, so here I will try to declare that the text color is this dot required. Okay, so I'll just give it as this dot required. And then you have one more class. What is that class? Text size. Text size colon this dot text size. This dot required. So what I did is, excuse me. So here, okay, so here I have given a group property, group text color and text size. This dot required because I have a required property here. So I have written a required. So now what I want to do is I just wanted to apply this particular property group to the template. So I just wanted to bind this particular group to the template. So what I will be doing here is I will just give it as HTML. So if I have H2 here, so here I will be just writing components of the building block. So I just got this particular one. Now for this, I want to assign those two things. So what I can just do is I can just use here, what I can just use is ngClass. So this is a directive, ngClass is a directive. So I can just use ngClass here. And what is that I have assigned? ngClass is equal to, what is the property that I have assigned? Group. So now we have so here I have declared the property group and I'm assigning this Now I'm using ngClass. So it is here declared. I'm just giving ngClass is equal to group components or building blocks. So now what exactly will happen here? It should be text color. Which color it is? Text color is blue in color. So I'll just change this because many things are blue in color here. Text color. Okay, blue violet. So I'm just changing this. So you can see here. Where I have written this. Components are building block. Yes. It is false. Where is it? True. Yeah. So you can just see that